Hello everybody, I am Roberto Ferrari from the University of Ferrara, and I'm here to tell you that to have elevated blood pressure is bad. It damages the heart, the brain and the kidney. And the problem is that you do not feel the level of pressure in the pipes of your body. For this reason, hypertension or high blood pressure is considered the silent killer. This is because there is too much salt in your meal. So please, my message to you is please reduce the salt in your meal. Cook with less salt. Remember, this is an S.O.S. Step down with your salt. It's very important for your health. Of course, this can be done, and Dr. Aman Salvan will tell you how to do it.
Thank you, Dr. Roberto Ferrari, for the knowledge that you are giving us on restriction of salt intake. I am Dr. Aman Salvan here, Head of Department Care Hospital, Nampalli, Hyderabad. I would also like to advise you regarding the salt intake in our diet. The salt intake in Indian context is very high. We take almost 11 grams of salt at an average, whereas according to the World Health Organization, it should be restricted to less than 5 grams a day. So you can see that we are almost twice the amount of salt that we should be taking, and there are easy ways to restrict the salt intake. It is very important because high salt intake diet can cause you strokes, myocardial infarctions, kidney diseases and other problems. Uncontrolled hypertension is also a very important issue if you take a very high salt intake. So what should we do? We should stop adding salt on the table to our salads, and like people have the habit of putting salt when they are cooking chapatis or when they are cooking rice. So these are easily avoidable things. In addition, you should restrict the use of pickles, papads, salad dressings, ketchups, sauces, all the fast food, preserved food. All these have a very high content of salt. Even the bakery products have a lot of salt, and the Chinese food, which has a lot of Ajinomoto, is also not good for health. So in short, you have to avoid all these things, and you should take foods in a natural cooked way. Home food is the best for avoiding a high salt intake, especially if you are a hypertensive patient. You should avoid eating food outside, especially if it is preserved food. We stack our fridge with a lot of things like non-vegetarian foods, fried products, pickles, ketchups. All these things are all all canned food, fruit and foods have very high salt content. So you should avoid these kind of canned food. Eat fresh fruits and vegetables. Increase green leafy vegetables in your diet, and do not use salt at all other than what is put in the regular cooking. Thank you very much.